Do you want to know how you can enable the ad blocker in Bing? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can enable ad block in Bing. Go ahead and open Bing, which is on your phone. Now tap on your profile, which is on the top left hand corner of your screen. Tap on Settings and go to Privacy. You can see the Block Ads option. Go ahead and click Block Ads and you can see the Ad Block Plus is over there. You can click on this button over here, which will enable the Ad Block Plus. Now if you go to Advanced Settings, you can add some of the ads and then it will be allowed. You can click on Exceptions and you can add a site. This way the ads from that site will be enabled. Let me show it to you once again, guys, how you can enable ad block in Bing. Go ahead and click on your profile, which is on the top left hand corner. Go to Settings and click on Privacy. Now click on Block Ads and enable Block Ads. This way you will not get any kind of blocks in Bing. I hope this video about how you can enable ad block in Bing was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.